friends, today we will show you unboxing of this iDo air mattress. This is inflatable air mattress and this has a built-in electric pump. Because of the inbuilt electric pump can be fast inflation and deflation modes, and then this has got puncture proof PVC material. Also the surface is waterproof and they have a carry bag for convenient storage. These are the specifications. This is the king size bed that we have ordered, and this is how you will operate the electric pump. It has a built-in electric pump and we will show you how to do that, but for simplicity's sake you can just put it up for inflate, move the knob up, and then move it middle for off, and for deflate move it down. Let's open this box. Okay, let's open this. Okay, this has got a user manual for the air mattress. Okay, yeah. And then again it is showing how to prevent air leak, and these are the repair patches in case there is a hole somewhere. You can use these to repair the patches. Let's pull out. So this is the neat bag in which the air mattress comes in. This is also locked. Okay, so this is the air mattress. See, and we will open and inflate it, but just I want to quickly show you that this is the switch and the knob to inflate or deflate. As you can see, this is currently on off mode, like here, this pointer, and if you move it up here, it goes to inflate mode, off. Once the bed is inflated, then if you want to deflate, you move it to deflate mode here, and once the bed is deflated, you turn it off. And to make this automatic air pump work, this is the socket and the plug which you have to plug in for the automatic pump to work. So you will need a power source to plug this in. Okay, so let's open and show you how this actually works. I found some empty space and I will now spread it out and try to inflate the bed. This is the folded side of the bed. We first have to open it full. So we have now spread out the mattress. This is in deflated mode now. And now we will plug it in the power source to automatically help it inflate. For that, take this cover out. Open this wire. The pump is now plugged in, and before you turn on the power, just check that this knob is on off mode, which it is right now. Now I will turn on the power, and you have to remember that this will take roughly 2 to 3 minutes to fully inflate. Let's just see, once we turn it on to inflation mode, there will be a loud sound, so you might want to turn your speakers down a bit. Roughly 2 minutes now, and it looks sufficiently inflated. I'm gonna give it another 30 seconds or so. Looks quite inflated. I will turn it off now. Wow, that was loud. So this is roughly 2.5 minutes, and as you can see, this is quite firm. Yeah, and this is sufficiently well sized for two regular sized adults to sleep in. The height of this mattress is really good. As you can see, it is like sufficiently high and literally close to my sofa size. If you can see my sofa in the video, it's literally next to my sofa size. So yeah, really nice and firm mattress. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it looks, totally inflated and it's still quite firm. And now we will show you how to deflate it back to its original state. Again, check the power is on off mode, then turn on the power, okay, and then turn the knob. Instead of inflate, which we did last time, now we have to put the mode to deflate. And I typically like to time it, but this is roughly 2.5 minutes again. Let's turn it on. This is now fully deflated. So we have turned the deflator mode off and I'm unplugging the device. Now we have to again fold it back and put it in the case. So as you can see, this is now fully deflated. We can fold and pack it, but you have to remember a few things when you use it. You have not to let kids play on this mattress, especially when it's inflated, because there's risk of fall and injury. And essentially you cannot put like infants on the mattress because again fear of injury. And the electric air pump, do not let any children near it because this can cause electric shock if used improperly. And if you use inflate the mattress and use it for multiple days on continuous use, it might start to like sag a bit. So you have to remember and fill the air back in if it seems like it's sagging a little. Also, you have to remember, do not put any heat source near the mattress because as you can see, this is plastic. So there's a risk of it either catching fire or getting damaged. And do not use sharp objects on the mattress or anywhere near it because as you can see, if there's a punctured hole, then the inflation might not happen properly. So just use it with the bit of fair safety precautions. Do not let children play, especially with like the inflation deflation pump because this is electrical. So I think these regular safety features you have to keep in mind. I hope you like this video, and given you can see how easy to use and convenient to carry this is, and this is so compact, you can just fold it and reuse it as and when you need it. So I hope you use this, and let me know if you have any questions in your comment section. We will get back to you. So friends, this was the unboxing of this new inflatable air mattress. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.